Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this smooth ghost zoom effect in CapCut Mobile. So first, just add a photo or maybe a video that you'll want to edit and duplicate it on CapCut. Click on this duplicate button and make one of them as overlay. Click on overlay like this. Now on the overlay, click on it and add 2 keyframes like this. On the last keyframe, zoom in the photo like this and go to splice or blend. Then lower the opacity to around 25. Click on a check icon so it will become like this. And to make it smoother, you can just go in between the keyframes and click on grabs. Now select the ease out tree. Click on a check icon and you are done. This will be the result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.